Oh! Oh! And she's down! Oh!
What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video, and today we are finally gonna be watching some not very talented insurance scammers in action and their amazing acting skills. So with that being said, now sit back, relax, and let's dive right into this. Alrighty, we are starting in what it seems like a typical area where you can find some insurance scammers in the wilds. This is optimal conditions for them. It's dark outside and there are little to no witnesses. But little do they know, this is not 1985 anymore, so everybody has a dashcam. And now, after years and years of practicing and experience, she's finally ready. It all came down to this single moment right here. Ooh.
Oh! Oh! And she's down! Oh! Oh!
It only took her 3 business days to fall down, but
Hit run!
other than that, it was flawless performance.
she's down.
Someone give this lady a contract. It looks like this guy decided to take it to the next level. Only he forgot one very important thing, that this is Balkans and we don't tolerate that type of behavior here. Bro went for a very effective Spartan style. That's how you deal with these kind of people. Whoa, this guy's very dedicated. It looks like the Dingleberry Olympics has already started. What is this guy doing? This just shows that the dashcam really is your best friend on the road, for sure. Now we are in my country, Serbia, and yeah, watching these videos I realized that these guys are everywhere. And I don't really know how they think this is gonna work out in their favor, but it is what it is, I guess.
1, 2, 3, 1.
Let's see. Ooh. The sound it made. That guy had the aim assist. But the road is clear now, so it's all good. And we are back to my country once again. And the sound you just heard was that scammer trying to fake an accident. And of course he later claimed that he was hit, but the dashcam was here to save the day once again. Oh. He really didn't think this through. Out of all those cars, he chose the police car. Very bright idea. Let's see what is going on here. Oh, it looks like we have a brake checker on our hands. I'd like to see you try this on a truck. That would be fun to watch. And here we have a completely different type of an insurance scammer. This one is called a passive insurance scammer. He wants to do it, but he don't want to be too aggressive. I'm just kidding, maybe he's just messing around. And here we have one with a short fuse. That's why you don't honk at them, because that's how you get their attention. That was dynamic. On to the next one. Terrible acting. That guy was like, I'm just gonna go straight through the intersection and let's see what happens. 3 out of 10 for acting. Oh no! Those stationary cars. They're nasty.
What?
And now she's gonna call the police and be like, I got hit by a parked car. You got hit by
You
what?
ran into it.
Yeah, it was just standing there,
You
aggressively.
ran into the car.
Oh, I love
What do you have
dash
for real?
cams. This is gold.
Yeah.
Oh, there it goes again. But at least she's committed.
what?
I'll give her that. This is the best
Okay,
performance
so
by
what do you
far
want?
today. Come on, Hollywood.
my
Give her a
insurance.
contract already.
Before.
And she's still not
I
giving
want
up.
your insurance details.
This is incredible. Pure gold.
Yeah. Well, why should I give you mine? If I didn't hit you. Yeah. You know, there's a camera right
Oh,
there.
don't tell her that. Wait until the police arrives. That is the best part.
No, but the camera saw everything. Yeah.
Good thing she thinks the dash cams are the conspiracy theory. Whoa, 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 whoa. That was a dingleberry move, and it's so obvious that it was on purpose. You could see it from a mile away. Look at him.
Yo, I have you on camera. I'm gonna call the police right now.
I am.
Mission failed, we'll get him next time. And this lovely lady here is going big or she's going home, because she's trying to scam the Lamborghini Aventador owner. A lot of money there. It makes perfect sense in their heads. And what is this guy doing? A side quest or an insurance scam? But one thing's for sure. Oh, rising up! Dun, 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 dun. This is ridiculous. Maybe he identifies as a Ford Explorer, who knows? Let's see here. Whoa, 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 whoa. The ones with a bicycle are the most unpredictable. Look at this dude. He's ready for everything, basically. And this one is a little bit different. The main scammer is waiting on the left for the right moment, and he has witnesses ready as well. So this is like a whole operation. Look, look. And now the witnesses are gonna come. And now they're gonna falsely accuse this worker who was just delivering the car of crashing into them. This is unbelievable. Whoa, dearie me. That guy's playing the role of a traffic cone, apparently. Very good reaction from the truck driver. On to the next one we go, and it looks like she's preparing to do the oldest trick in a book. Yep, a classic brake check.
Wow. You got
Look at her. Yeah, he's at fault, for sure. Whoa, I don't know what you see here, but all I see is a rising star in acting. I'll give her 6.5 for acting because she didn't even try to roll down or something like that. And this guy thinks the low profile is the key, so he decided to turn on the four-wheel drive. Whoa, 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 bro. They're trying more and more to be more realistic. So when something happens, it looks more believable, you know? You gotta be careful out there. Oh, you're gonna love this one. And in 3, 2, 1, the scammer gets scammed, buddy. That's what you get. I mean, he asked for it. And it looks like this one has a perfect plan, but the driver is not buying it. And he's mad now. And after that amazing display of acting talents, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed in today's legendary insurance scam fails video. And if you did, please smack that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe if you want to see more of this, of course. So yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to power every day, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Love you all. Ciao, ciao.